So this is a pure speculation video. This video is regarding why Cam Battley left Aurora to take a job at Metroleaf Australia. He's basically leaving the country, and this is pure speculation. At the end of the day, I've done a lot of research, and I came to a conclusion. So when I look on Cam Battley's Twitter page, he just tweeted something not too long ago, and as you can read through the comments, there's a lot of people that that are pissed off and don't like Cam Battley. And what Cam Battley does is he travels around the country, he talks to people, and he probably is feeling nervous right now because of the share price, and he knows that Aurora has problems, and in the short term Aurora stock could get worse, and he just doesn't want to deal with angry shareholders. So he essentially just left the company because this is pure speculation at the end of the day. He probably doesn't feel safe walking around while the stock price is sitting at $2 or $3. People have put their life savings in Aurora. They basically married Aurora stock, and they're bank holding lots of lost money, and they're crossing their fingers hoping Aurora stock recovers. While Aurora stock is still sitting at $2, $3, Cam Battley is probably getting blamed and talked to by a bunch of people approaching him, and there's nothing he can do about the stock price. Him overpromising, and he probably doesn't feel comfortable walking around in public. Think about it. If you were Cam Battley, would you feel comfortable walking in public? Like, seriously, everybody knows you. You're like the face of Aurora. The stock is sitting at $2, $3. Do you feel comfortable being Cam Battley, walking around Canada, or just traveling around the airport, having people who are shareholders see you? I wouldn't feel comfortable. I wouldn't feel comfortable when the stock price is sitting at $2, $3 US, and Canadian is like $3 to $4. So yeah, Cam Battley left, and the stock tanked, but Aurora overall has problems, and over time the stock price would probably drift down to $2 anyways, even without Cam Battley. Cam Battley just kind of made it worse temporary in the short term because he left. So that's just pure speculation on my part. I think Aurora stock's gonna get worse, but again, more pure speculation. I don't know for sure. The chart looks very, very bearish right now. I would not be buying Aurora stock. I mean, I would do swing plays, but I have a feeling Aurora could go, near, like, at least below $2 US. Like, I think there is a possibility we could see $1 US. I don't think I think at $1 US it's a huge return on investment if Aurora stock ever recovers. I think there's a possibility Aurora can recover if they can flip a profit. I mean, I think they can, but who knows what really happens at the end of the day. It will happen at the end of the day in the future, but Aurora is in a tight situation, and the best way to help Aurora is to buy the products. To keep buying the products. If the products keep selling out and people keep buying the products, Aurora could get out of this rut. But at the moment, I don't think in the first half of the year they will. Maybe the second half of 2020, Aurora could get out of this. But man, the stock's gonna be like really low, and according to my research, Aurora has some serious debt problems, and the banks basically could own Aurora if Aurora can't find a way to pay back the debt. Canopy, again, I'm very bearish on Canopy. If Canopy wasn't, how do I say it? If Canopy's didn't get an investment from Constellation Brand, I think Canopy would be in a Aurora situation where people talk about Canopy going bankrupt. But again, that's my opinion. Kron this morning is trading sideways. I can't believe that I'm seeing Kron being worth more than Aurora at the moment. Tilray, I think there's a possibility Tilray could be worth more than Aurora in the future. Maybe even Afria, which would be strange. Out of all the big three, Aurora used to be the second biggest. Now, that would be crazy if they would be worth more than Tilray, Afria, Kron. That would be crazy, but that is a possibility. You have to, anything's possible in the stock market. That's my rule of thumb. Today the market is slightly red, finally. Oil is up and gold is slightly up, so I think it's gonna switch around. I the government literally, from my research, I think the government is just pumping funny money into the stock market. So I don't think the stock market is gonna have a correction. I wonder if the New Year's will have a correction, because if you think about it, the best time to take profit is in the New Year's. Because when you take profits in the New Year, you don't have to worry about taxes until next year. So I'm thinking in January, I think the stock market is going to pull back a little bit, but that's just pure speculation. I don't know at the end of the day. Tesla is... Tesla. Ooh, that is, big pullback. Maybe it's starting, profit taking is going to kick in now. Who knows? We'll see. Disney is continuing to ramp down. Look at that. Disney is actually up today. Apple is trading sideways. Not too much to say about that. Now on to some Canadian, U.S. Companies that are listed on Canada. Liberal Health Science down another penny today. The lower it goes, the more attractive price point becomes. True Eve this morning up 10 cents. Curaleaf up a penny this morning. Ianthus up 3 cents. Looks like the U.S. multi-state operators are having a little bit of a green day today. Harvest $2.94. I was wrong on that one. Harvest is down 5 cents. Men down 3 cents. Yes. Because I only want to load on stocks that look cheap, right? And I believe in Men, but it's just, but I'm not willing to gamble at Men at prices that kind of inflated. I'm hoping that Men goes back to like 60 cents, and then I'll make a position, and then if it goes back to 50 cents, I'll make another position, and if it goes below 50 cents, I'll keep buying and buying and buying until I hit a certain point, and then I'm going to stop buying, and I hope the stock bounces back. But, that's my plan moving forward for Men. Vero Health. I have a feeling that this stock's going to go to $1 Canadian and then I'll definitely make a gamble on it at $1 Canadian. Let's look at Slang this morning. Slang stock neutral. Look at that. Aurora down another 3 cents. I saw that. I had to check it. I wonder if that's dragging Canopy down with it. Yep. Canopy down additional 15 cents. Aurora going down is dragging the entire market down with it. That's what it looks like is happening right now. Yep. Tesla. Tasty. I think, if it goes back to $400, definitely buy some call options. And if it goes to around $390, I'll buy some more call option. If it somehow manages to go back to around $360-ish, $350, I will actually buy some real shares. Bitcoin this morning is trading sideways. Not too much to say about that. And High Blockchain Technology, the one that I relate to Bitcoin the most, is not really doing much this morning, just neutral. But I think I think it's probably going to trade around 9 to 10 cents for a while unless Bitcoin really rallies and we see Bitcoin go all the way to 10K. Then Hive could go all the way to 20 cents, which is a possibility. That's what I believe. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Wow, perfect 10 minutes. Wow, thanks. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.